Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do altered paper clips or hidden paper clips. I'm not sure which one we're going to be doing. A hidden paper clip is when the whole paper clip, both sides, is hidden. And an altered paper clip is just when it's altered and you can see the back side. So I'm just pulling a few things out of here that we are going to use in our makes. Hopefully I have everything I need right here. I am making this for my current journal that I'm working in. Alright, so I have paper clips ready. I have 4 of them ready. And all you do is get a piece of cardstock and put it inside. And that's what goes over your page. And then all you want to do is just cover this. Like that would be perfect. So let's just get a little bit of vintage photo on here to get rid of the white. And let's try this. Hopefully I have enough stuff printed out. I didn't prepare. So hopefully we can get that to stay on there. Right there. So how's everybody doing today? I'm doing pretty good. Holly's sick. Not fun on Thanksgiving week to be sick. But she's running a temperature and is tired. Alright, let's let that dry. I do want to check it on a piece of paper though. Oh, that's not going to work. I glued that part. Alright, we don't want glue on that. I don't think I'll use the banners. I don't like that one. Here's a small one. We can do a globe, maybe, or we can do this. And put it sideways. Okay, let's let that dry. So how is y'all's weather? We are hot during the day. I wish it would cool off and stay that way. It's cool, a little cool at night. You know, like in the 60s, maybe the 50s. But during the day, it's getting to be the 80s. That should be a good one. Let's see. Might need to do a small one. That might be too big. Yeah, it's a little bit too big. Come on. Yeah, I think it's nice and cool during the day everywhere but here. And then I'm going to put a paper clip on this bow. Like that. I don't know if I want to paper clip that or not. Let's check these out. Okay, so that's a side one there. I forgot what it was. Yeah, that's not gonna work. And neither, yeah, that one will. Oh my goodness. No. I think that got sealed shut. So there we go. Alright, and I don't think this one's gonna work. Not with the flaps on there. So let's see if this will work. is it not working? There, that's why. There, because I glued it where I shouldn't have. That's why. Alright, let's get these 3. No, that one's no good. And that one. So let's decorate these. I think the bow, I'm going to leave the bow. Well, no. I know what I'm going to do. Put some glitter on it. Let me find a piece of paper. I'm just using art glitter glue. I have some of Holly's glitter here. Oh, that's so pretty. See how pretty that is? That is so pretty. That glitter is awesome. Let's set that aside, let that dry. Do I want glitter on these? Probably, because it's so pretty, but where? This is a side one. Maybe along the edge. On both sides. Awesome. That's pretty. I don't know what else we want to do to decorate that, though. We found this. She's had it for years. Just says glitter. But it's very, very, very sparkly. I have glitter too, but I'm always using this one. Alright, how do we want to decorate this? Oh, let's do that. I don't think any of these will fit. Yeah, it does. Celeste, your journal is so pretty. I love watching your process. It's cute. Well, I think I'm good on this. So we got a couple of paper clips. All right, I think I'm good. I hope you played along with me. I like this one, but it went crooked on me. That's going to take a while to dry. So thanks for hanging out with me today. Please like and leave me a comment. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.